here in the fairly small town of Knoxville, Tennessee. They're playing tonight to a crowd of over 60,000 fans.
Tell them that you should be late, Joe. Why does it leave me that way? If they say why? Tell them that you should be late, Joe. Why does it leave me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.
The brothers, each one of the brothers, we know each other. We were raised. I mean, I started singing when I was 6 years old. And, you know, we can communicate better with each other because we know what we want to do, and we all think in the same line of direction, too. And so the business is a lot easier for us.
And not only that, I feel that, like you said, it helps more than hurts by all means. When you're brothers, you seem to cope with pressure. You share the same thoughts a lot. You're looking out for each other. You're wishing the best for another member of the group. So all that makes a big difference in the group.
Everybody! Does it leave me that way?